So also what I want to tell you is try and keep until you get more experience. And what I mean by this is this. So right now you're welding behind the tip.
Yeah.
Try and make it so that you can see where you're welding. So practice with that first. And once you get enough experience, then you will know, like, I consider this like shooting pool or shooting arrows. You're shooting your weld into a spot. So once you learn how the wire curls, and you'll see how the wire comes out and then it curls, and then the heat in it makes it do different things. So, yes, there. Yeah. So try and see where you're welding. Slow your hand down. There you go. And then listen to the weld. You'll hear right before it's ready to melt and drip. Then you want to pull the heat away. No. So, good. Keep going. So when you start pulling your torch away, that's when it was starting to sputter. Yeah. So now you're going to have to try and figure out how to weld this. What I would do, I did a hard one today, is I would come this way, right? See how my hand is? Yeah. And now I could see what I'm doing on this side of that angle.